Hi, this is Drew with Daniels Ag Services with your morning report. Markets are all higher so far this morning, and they're higher on the week, all having double-digit gains. You got wheat up almost 30 cents. The bean market's up quite a bit as well. Corn's up quite a bit as well. Main reason can be pointed to Tuesday's price action. A lot of short covering going on Tuesday. Also a lot of high-frequency trading jumping in on that short covering. Sent us on a pretty significant rally. So that's where most of the weekly gains came from, although it's been a pretty strong week across the board for the markets that we follow. So other than the fund short covering, not a real whole lot has changed fundamentally. Weather down in South America is actually doing pretty well right now. Weather here in the United States has been really good. The snowfall that we got last weekend and then some throughout this week has really been beneficial for not only the winter wheat crop, but once it melts, it will add a lot of moisture to some of the drought-stricken areas. So that is a positive weather-wise here in the United States. Other than that, really not just a whole heck of a lot to touch on. One thing to note is that Ukraine corn offers are around $6 or $7 lower than what the U.S. is currently offering per metric ton. So we'll have to see if that puts a little hamper on some corn demand if we see some shift over to Ukraine. Just the ebb and flow that goes on with the export market, though nothing huge to really influence the market greatly one way or another moving forward. But some of the bears are pointing to that, saying a reason why corn price should go lower, so I thought I'd throw it in there for you. But other than that, really the trade's got their eyes focused on this upcoming WASDE report, which will get out this upcoming Tuesday at 11 a.m. Central. We'll have specifics for you on that on Monday and then on Tuesday as well. That way we can keep you up to date with what the average trade estimates are, along with the range of estimates, the whole kit and caboodle for you. That way you'll be ready for Tuesday's report. So that's all we've got for today. If you've got any questions, let me know. Otherwise, have a great weekend, and we will see you on Monday.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by Daniels Ag Services, broker, who provides research, market commentary, and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Ag Services, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors, such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore investors should understand the risks involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielsagservices.com. Daniels Ag Services is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Ag Services does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.